In Music Master, a rule group allows you to organize or isolate specific rules for specific categories or periods of time. For instance, you may want different tempo rules for the morning drive or a more relaxed set of rules for the overnight period. This is where the use of rule groups comes in handy. You'll find rule groups in the rule tree under Available Rule Types on the right side of your screen in the very top folder called Special Rule Tree Items. Click on Rule Group and drag it over to the left-hand side in whatever folder you select. Once you've done that, the Rule Group Properties box opens up. In the description field, name your rule group whatever you'd like. The Group mode allows you to decide how the group is tested. Availability means when and if the rules will be turned on. The Never Tested selection is a great place to put rules on hold, say for your holidays or specialty programming periods. You can just turn them on when you need them. Time restrictions is where you would apply any day parting to the rule group. You can select from existing day parts using the drag down, or create a new day part or time restriction. Rather than using time restrictions or day parts for your rule group, you can use clock restrictions instead. Just type in a clock code or codes for where you want the rules to work. Song restrictions allow you to choose what categories will be tested for the rules inside this group. Using this feature is handy if you want something like coding rules to only apply to your recurrent or gold categories while ignoring your currents. Once you've set up your rule group properties, click OK. You can now begin dragging whatever rules you'd like into the group. Notice how when you drag a rule into the rule group, it is indented. If it is not indented, it is not yet inside the rule group. Here's an insider tip. Any rule outside of a rule group is tested 24/7 in Music Master. Don't forget, save your work.